Albert approval speed depends on how quickly the app can verify your bank account, read your income deposits, and confirm that your spending pattern looks stable enough for cash advance access. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what slows approval down, what Albert checks in your bank data, and the steps that usually make approval happen faster. Start with bank linking. Albert connects directly to your bank account, and approval won't move forward until that connection fully syncs. If the link fails or stays incomplete, the system can't read your financial data, which delays everything. Now look at income deposits. Albert looks for recurring deposits that show a clear income pattern. If your deposits are inconsistent or hard to identify, the system may take longer to approve your account. Next, check transaction history. The app needs enough recent activity to understand how money moves in and out of your account. Limited history often means slower approval, because the system has less data to evaluate. Now look at account stability. If your balance frequently drops to very low levels or changes sharply, it can take longer for the system to classify your financial behavior. More stable patterns usually process faster. Next, focus on direct deposits. Recurring payroll deposits are one of the strongest signals Albert uses for approval. Without them, approval is still possible, but it may take longer or result in limited access. Now, check identity verification. Albert requires basic identity confirmation, and mismatched details between your bank and profile can slow down approval. Even small inconsistencies can delay the process. Next, consider bank compatibility. Some banks sync faster with financial apps depending on how well they support data sharing connections. If your bank is slower to sync, approval may take longer even if everything else is correct. Now look at app setup behavior. Completing your setup in one session can help the system process your data faster than stopping and restarting multiple times. Interrupted setup can delay how quickly your information is analyzed. Finally, understand system processing. Albert uses automated evaluation systems, so approval speed depends entirely on how quickly your bank data becomes readable and complete inside their system. To sum it up, faster approval on Albert usually comes down to a clean bank connection, consistent income deposits, and enough transaction history for the system to clearly understand your financial behavior. Next, make sure your bank account is fully linked, your identity details match your bank exactly, and your deposits are clearly visible before applying. If this helped, like the video, subscribe for more cash advance app guides, approval tips, and financial breakdowns.